all you lovely people, and welcome back to your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish and I'm here with all the latest scoop and dope from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before I kickstart the show, I want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for all the updates that you need about your favorite celebrities. On that note, here are our top stories. After Salman, Hrithik may also be roped in for a cameo in Pathaan. NCB asks Karan Johar to provide more details about his 2019 party video. Varun trolls Sara for waking up at 4:30 a.m. to work out. Kareena reveals that meeting Saif made her heart flutter. Pathaan will be thrice as awesome जब शाहरुख खान को मिलेगा टाइगर और कबीर का साथ. Yes, you heard that right. Aditya Chopra might just pull off a casting coup by getting not one or two, but three huge superstars together in a single movie. SRK is making a comeback into Bollywood after almost 2 years, and his friend Aditya Chopra is leaving no stone unturned to ensure कि शाहरुख की YRF produced film Pathaan एक blockbuster hit हो. The YRF head honcho is also taking his first steps towards creating his own spy universe where characters like Tiger, Kabir from War and SRK's Pathaan will make cameo appearances in each other's films. Here's the story. While no official announcements have been made, Grapevine has it that Shah Rukh Khan will be playing a special agent or spy in his comeback film Pathaan. SRK has been sporting a new look for the movie which has just gone on floors recently. But it looks like fans can expect a triple bonanza with Shah Rukh Khan's comeback movie क्योंकि sources के मुताबिक सलमान और ऋतिक दोनों ही इस फिल्म में अपने अपने स्पाई अवतार्स में दिखेंगे. Salman's cameo has been in the news for quite some time now, but now we hear that Aditya Chopra will be using Pathaan as a platform to unveil his vision of a homegrown spy universe jahan multiple special agents will cross each other's paths. Director Siddharth Anand has asked his war hero Hrithik to film a cameo as Kabir in Pathaan. अगर ऋतिक मान गए तो ये पहली बार होगा जब हमारे देसी एवेंजर्स एक साथ ऑन स्क्रीन दिखेंगे. Hrithik is yet to give his confirmation, but the actor, who has kept a low profile during the lockdown, made sure to congratulate his ex-wife Suzanne when she won the title of Iconic Interior Designer of the Year 2020. Suzanne and Hrithik have parted ways but maintain a very cordial relationship. And Suzanne had even moved into Hrithik's apartment during the lockdown so that they could co-parent their kids. Suzanne को उनके achievement के लिए congratulate करते हुए ऋतिक ने लिखा "Well done" and added clapping hands emoji, to which Suzanne responded by saying "Thank you" @Hrithik Roshan. In a sensational new development, producer-director Karan Johar has been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau as a part of their ongoing investigation into the consumption of banned substances by Bollywood celebrities. The Dharma head honcho was dragged into a controversy when a former employee of his company Dharmatic, Kshitij Prasad, was arrested for allegedly supplying and consuming banned substances. The NCB was brought in to investigate a nexus between suppliers and consumers of banned substances within the media and entertainment industry. Now, this was deemed necessary after the CBI and ED discovered numerous controversial chats as part of their investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Now, what began as looking into whether Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother Shouvik were involved in procuring and consuming banned substances has now expanded and snowballed into a much larger investigation with many powerful celebrities being called in for questioning. Take a look. Karan was also under the scanner after a politician made an official complaint alleging that banned substances were being consumed by his high-profile guest at a house party Karan hosted in 2019. Karan has taken a video of his party guest and posted on his social media page. The video, which soon went viral, showed many stars like Deepika Padukone, Varun Dhawan, Arjun Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor and Vicky Kaushal spending time at Karan's house. Karan has categorically stated on multiple occasions that no banned substances were consumed at his home and even distanced himself from Kshitij Prasad, claiming that he didn't know him personally. While the controversial video had received a clean chit after forensic examination, it seems like the NCB is hoping to elicit more information from Johar, who is a powerful and well-connected figure in Bollywood. According to reports, the NCB has sent a notice to Johar under NDPS Act 67B. Under this act, the person to whom the notice is sent does not have to make an appearance, but is required to furnish details that the agency requires. Karan may be asked to share details of where this party took place, what time the video was taken, furnish a guest list naming all those who attended, and share what device he used to record the video. It is a bit uncertain what details the NCB are hoping to get from Karan and which direction their now almost 6-month-long investigation is taking. But for now, one can only hope that it doesn't land Karan in deep trouble.
ये कौन 4 बजे उठता है?
ये लड़की
फिर वापस 4:15 बजे सो जाती है।
नहीं मैं 4:45 बजे उठती हूँ सर, ताकि मैं जिम और हर रोज नहीं, सिर्फ जब अर्ली क्वार्टर होता है ना।
Just no, I don't know.
Yeah,
I
I
just
don't know
when
because
you
we
asked
don't
us
wake up.
yesterday,
We don't wake
saying that will you meet me at the gym at 5:30? We both did see you there.
And you all never came.
We never came.
चाहे जो भी हो जाए, सारा अपने वर्कआउट्स नहीं मिस करती। जरूरत पड़े तो वो सुबह के 4:30 बजे भी उठ जाती है to complete her workout before the day begins. This was the revelation made by her co-stars Varun Dhawan and Shikha Talsania as they traveled together to promote their upcoming film Coolie Number 1. Being a movie star is really no piece of cake, especially in this day and age when social media, paparazzi and fans with camera phones mean that celebrities have to look their best all the time. Lekin Sara was not always this kind of a fitness freak. The actor has worked really hard to shed oodles of weight and look as fabulous as she does today, all to fulfill her lifelong dream of being an actor in Bollywood. Well, while she's not working out or working hard on sets, she enjoys doing shairi and making poetic couplets for her social media posts. Take a look. In the video shared by Varun, वो सारा, शिखा और परेश जी के साथ किसी एयरपोर्ट के लाउंज में बैठे हुए शायद अपनी फ्लाइट का वेट कर रहे हैं. Varun starts the video by pulling Sara's leg and asking Paresh ji his opinion on waking up early and working out before heading to work. Paresh ji jokes कि वो सुबह उठ के गाड़ी में बैठते हैं और मुंबई की ट्रैफिक में धक्के खाते हुए सेट्स पे पहुंचते हैं.
But basically, परेश सर आपको क्या लगता है इसके बारे में? ये सुबह में उठना, वर्कआउट करना, फिर काम पे जाना.
सुबह उठना, वर्कआउट करना.
हाँ.
सुबह उठ के गाड़ी में बैठना और ट्रैफिक में अटकना,
गाने
लोकेशन
सुनना,
पे जाके बेल्ट छोड़ना और विग लगाना और डेविड साहब को मिलना.
joy.
उनके इन कमेंट्स के बाद वरुण रिवील्स कि सारा सुबह के 4:30 बजे उठती है so that she can work out before reaching the sets for shoot.
4 बजे उठती है.
ये कौन 4 बजे उठता है?
ये लड़की
फिर वापस 4:15 बजे सो जाती है.
नहीं मैं 4:45 बजे उठती हूँ सर, ताकि मैं
So
जिम
dedicated,
और हर रोज
so
नहीं
dedicated.
सिर्फ जब अर्ली क्वार्टर होता है ना
Just no, I don't know.
Yeah, I
We don't know
When
because
you
we
asked
don't
us
wake up.
yesterday,
We don't wake
saying that will you meet me at the gym at 5:30? We both did. See you there.
and you all never came.
We never came.
शिखा और वरुण सारा की टांग खींचते हुए कहते हैं that she even tried to get them to join her at the gym at 5:30 in the morning. But they sat and learnt their lines instead.
But you know what we did when we woke up in the morning?
Intelligent human beings.
Slept.
We read the scenes. I'm joking. She knows all her lines. She's a fantastic performer and an
That's
artist
not true.
of
They
high
read
caliber.
about me while I work out in the gym, guys. See this? Oh, I just have a body.
We are
now.
a comedy. No, I'm kidding. No, she does know everything.
The fun banter continues as Sara tries to defend herself and also does a little mimicry of how people in Thailand spoke to them when they were filming there.
She's learned the lines in Thai also. Perform the scene.
I can do my Thai accent in the Kapuka. I speak the Thai language very well.
But as another behind the scenes video reveals, it seems this fun-filled and relaxed atmosphere extended on set as well. कूली नंबर 1 के सेट्स पे लिया गया एक और वीडियो में वरुण is getting into a costume of a female nurse, a glimpse of which we saw in the trailer. सारा मौके का पूरा फायदा उठाकर उनकी खूब खिंचाई कर रही है, calling him वरुणा, गोरी and छोरी.
Varuna Dhawan. In all her glory. Ori chori. Ori chori. I'm so gory. I now Lori. He wear Dory.
This reminds me of something.
Little chori.
Sara can't seem to stop laughing at watching Varun get into a female avatar. Coolie number 1 के रीमेक में Varun Dhawan will be slipping into Govinda's role opposite Sara, who will reprise Karishma's character Malti. Both the original and the remake of Coolie number 1 in 2020 are from the stables of director David Dhawan, who gave Bollywood some of its biggest hits in the 90s, especially when he worked with his favorite co-star Govinda. कूली नंबर 1 2020 एडिशन के गाने और ट्रेलर दोनों बहुत पॉपुलर हुए हैं. And while the style and brand of humor may be reminiscent of David G's old films with talented actors like Varun, Sara, Shikha and Paresh Rawalji bringing in their immense talent to the table, the movie is sure to be a laugh riot. We can't wait to watch it when it streams. Until then, we are going to be inspired by Sara and hit the gym more often. Kareena Kapoor Khan है सैफ की दीवानी. Though the couple has been together for almost 13 years now, बेबो को आज भी याद है कि किस तरह सैफ को पहली बार देखकर उनकी दिल की धड़कन तेज हो गई थी and सब कुछ स्लो मोशन में चलने लगा. To Bebo, he is still the most stylish and most supportive husband any girl could find. Kareena and Saif, or Saifina as they are popularly called, are one of Bollywood's most beloved couples. The two, who seem as different as chalk and cheese, have managed to forge a strong relationship and regularly set couple goals with their chemistry and compatibility. They are also parents to the adorable Taimur and are gearing up to welcome baby number 2 really soon as well. But कैसी थी उनकी पहली मुलाकात और क्या आज भी सैफ को देख के करीना के पास वायलेंस बजते हैं? Well, let's find out. Kareena Kapoor Khan has been a working actor for the past 20 years, and though she has seen her share of hits and flops, highs and lows, she credits a lot of her personal transformation to Saif, who she feels brought a certain security and peacefulness to her life. But ever the Bollywood star Kareena had quite a filmy reaction when she first saw the man of her dreams. In a recent conversation with Varun Dhawan, who was a guest on her chat show, Kareena revealed कि सैफ को देख के उनके दिल में भी गिटार्स और वायलिन्स बजने लगे. While talking about how she and Varun are similar when it comes to their ideas of romance and that पहली नजर का जादू, Kareena said कि given their filmy background, Varun and her always start imagining romantic situations like they are Sushmita Sen from Mehuna with wind blowing and a sari flying slowly in a high-speed shot. Lekin while she was completely smitten, Saif ke man mein aisa kuch bhi nahi tha. He is more into Hollywood films and isn't as mainstream filmy as her and Varun. Though he may not be as desi as her when it comes to romance, Kareena believes that her husband has a sense of style and elegance that sets him apart from the rest. When asked कि वो सैफ को क्या style tips देंगी या फिर कैसे style करेंगी सैफ को, she responded like a true lady in love and said कि उनके husband को stylist की कोई जरूरत नहीं. According to his Begum, Saif would want to wear something completely opposite of what a stylist would recommend. But she feels he has a very good sense of style and manages to look good in whatever he wears. So उन्हें किसी styling या stylist की जरूरत नहीं है. We completely agree, Bebo. Saif does manage to look dapper and handsome, whether it's a simple white kurta pajama which has become his trademark or a sharp suit that he wears on screen or to an event. It's no surprise then that when the two of you step out together, even in casual clothes, you manage to make heads turn with your style quotient. Here's hoping कि आप इसी तरह एक दूसरे के प्यार में खोए रहें, and we hope you keep setting couple goals in the decades to come. Sana Khan has hit out at those trolling her on social media and said that marrying Anas Saeed was not something she did on the rebound. उन्हें हमेशा से ऐसे ही शौहर की तलाश थी और लोग उनके इस डिसीजन के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, उन्हें इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. The actor who wants to be a mother soon has shared for the first time how and when she came into contact with Anas and why she thought he would be the best life partner for her. It was in October this year that actor Sana Khan announced that she was quitting showbiz to follow a more spiritual path. Soon after that, she surprised her fans and followers by announcing that she had married Maulana Anas Saeed, a Surat-based businessman. Ever since Sana has announced her wedding and shared pictures of herself and her husband from their wedding and honeymoon, the couple have been trolled consistently by netizens for a variety of reasons, from Anas's looks to Sana not dressing as per strict religious norms. But in a recent interview, Sana has silenced all those questioning her choices by saying that what she does in her personal life is really no one's business. Take a look. Speaking to a news portal, Sana revealed that वो पहली बार अनस से 2017 में मिली थी when he was introduced to her as a religious scholar. She had some questions about religion and the two connected again in 2018 before finding each other again in 2020. सना का कहना है कि उन्हें हमेशा से स्पिरिचुअल बातों में बहुत इंटरेस्ट था and it looks like their common commitment to religion and spirituality brought them closer. But contrary to what people have been saying, अनस से शादी करने का फैसला कोई impulsive decision नहीं था. सना का कहना है that she has always wanted to marry a man like him जो शरीफ और जिनमें हया भी हो. Sana added कि rebound पे affair होते हैं, शादियां नहीं. She feels that in her former life having a boyfriend was quite normal, but she regrets making wrong choices that didn't reflect who she truly is. The former actor also slammed trolls who have been targeting her and her husband ever since they announced their wedding. Calling their vicious comments disrespectful, Sana asked why her personal choices mattered to anyone. She also questions how anyone has the right to make distasteful comments about her husband or her decision to dress a certain way. Expressing her obvious anger with trolls, Sana expressed कि उन्हें अपने husband good looking लगते हैं, किसी और को लगे या ना लगे. This has been a tumultuous year for Sana, who has also announced that she was quitting Bollywood and her life as a media personality. She revealed in her interview कि ग्लैमर और पैसों की चकाचौंध ने उन्हें अपनी true identity से दूर कर दिया था and she was also forced to keep working to support her family. The lockdown finally gave her time to think and decide and to take the bold step of quitting showbiz altogether. But she isn't quitting social media as trolls have been bullying her to do. She clarifies that she has only chosen to live a more spiritual life, not take sannyas from it. The actor also shared that she wants to be a mother soon and is excited about starting a family. While her husband would like her to take some more time, Sana बहुत जल्द अम्मी बनना चाहती हैं। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे सना लोगों का काम है कहना और अब ट्रोल करना। We wish the two of you all the happiness in the world and we hope you stay this happy forever.
चलिए दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back.
Welcome to Kashmir and welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you.
And yeah,
This is the first place we've stepped into in Kashmir. And by the way, we are here on honeymoon.
yeah, congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
आदित्य नारायण और उनकी श्वेता अग्रवाल जा पहुंचे हैं कश्मीर की खूबसूरत वादियों में। The singer and TV host married his girlfriend of over a decade on the 1st of December and the two are on the first of their 3 romantic mini honeymoons.
आदित्य और श्वेता की प्रेम कहानी किसी फिल्म स्टोरी से कम नहीं है। दोनों पहली बार शापित के सेट्स पे मिले and after some frosty dislike at first sight encounters, they finally started dating. 10 years and many ups and downs later, the couple finally decided कि 10 साल नहीं 7 जन्मों के लिए एक साथ होना चाहते हैं. And after a simple wedding and a fun reception, the couple has finally moved into their new home and is looking forward to spending happily ever after with each other. Take a look.
Aditya is currently busy as a host of a talent hunt, लेकिन अपने काम के बीच में वो अपनी वाइफ को एक नहीं 3 romantic holidays पे ले जा रहे हैं. The destinations the couple have chosen are Shilim, Sula Vineyards and Gulmarg, and it looks like the first of the 3 romantic vacations has begun.
By the way, we are here on honeymoon.
Yeah, congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Aditya and Shweta पहुंच चुके हैं कश्मीर, and the couple have shared pictures from Srinagar where they enjoyed exploring the city and visiting the local restaurants. Aditya shared a selfie with his wifey to announce that they had reached Kashmir and captioned his post, "Honeymoon begins. Visiting heaven on earth #Kashmir for the first time. #Incredible India." While Aditya looked dapper in a brown jacket and glasses, Shweta looked like the perfect Nai Naveli Dulhan in her pink outfit and adorable red knitted hat. A restaurant they visited in Srinagar also posted pictures and a small video of the two of them enjoying their holiday together. Aditya and Shweta had an intimate wedding with just family and close friends in attendance. This was followed by a fun-filled reception that was attended by many of their colleagues from the media and entertainment business, including 90s superstar Govinda, who was seen rocking the dance floor. आदित्य ने अपनी वाइफ के लिए एक ब्रांड न्यू 5-bedroom अपार्टमेंट खरीदा है worth almost 10.5 crores. The couple will be decorating it as a home for 2 and starting their life there as a married couple after spending almost 10 years making sure that they were made for each other.
डायलॉग याद करके
जाओ अपने ससुराल वाले के पास.
अच्छा पढ़ना चाहिए
ससुराल वाले.
Here's wishing the happy couple a happier married life and we hope कि वो हमेशा इसी तरह खुश रहें.
Well, folks, with that, we come to the end of another week and another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back again on Monday, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, to stay connected with your favorite celebrities, tune into our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite stars. We'll see you guys again next week. Until then, ciao.